pandemic stronger than when we started. With that, it is my privilege and honor, and I'm pleased to introduce Maryland Governor Larry Hogan.
Well, good afternoon. It's great to be back in College Park. President Vines, thank you for that Left Behind vaccine campaign. For the past several months, we've deployed a team of more than 11,400 people and stood up all hands on deck effort to make sure that every single Marylander who wants a COVID-19 vaccine can get access to one as quickly as possible. As a result, Maryland is already one of the most vaccinated of all Marylanders over the age of 65. And last weekend, we surpassed the incredible milestone of having vaccinated 75.2% of all Maryland adults. So these are rates in the nation and almost all other states. The number of infections, hospitalizations, and deaths continues to fall. Our 7-day positivity rate is 0.73, one of the lowest in the country. And our case rate per 100,000 is 1.08, also one of the lowest in the nation. Hospitalizations are down from a high of 2,000 to 133 today. And earlier this week, we concluded a very successful $2 million vaccine lottery, which helped increase our vaccination. Being a nurse from Frederick, a retiree from Elkton, a construction worker from Annapolis, a high school teacher from Elkridge, a school custodian from Indian Head, grocery store worker from Towson, and a child care worker from Silver Spring. The initiative was such an overwhelming success that we're now turning our efforts toward getting more of our young people vaccinated against COVID-19. And so today, we're here in College Park to announce an exciting partnership between the Maryland Department of Health and the Maryland Department of Higher Education Commission to provide $1 million in college scholarships for Marylanders aged 12 to 17 who get vaccinated. Beginning next Monday, July 12th, utilizing the same random number generator that was used for our successful Vax Cash promotion through the Maryland Lottery, the Maryland Department of Health and the Maryland Higher Education Commission will select and award a $50,000 scholarship or the equivalent of full tuition and fees at public in-state institutions of higher learning to anyone between the ages of 12 and 17 who is vaccinated. Weeks through Labor Day, when we will then, on the last day, pick 4 winners. That's 20 drawings, each one with the chance to win $50,000 scholarships for a grand total of $1 million in scholarships. Now, the winners will receive a Maryland 529 prepaid college trust contract, which locks in today's tuition rates for the future, or a Maryland 529 college investment plan. And the winner, if they decide down the line, of course we'd love to have them attend our state universities, but if they decide down the line that they would like to attend a private institution or a school that's outside of the state of Maryland, they can actually transfer the scholarship to the school of their choice. So entry for our $1 million VaxU scholarship, as we're calling it, is very simple. If you're a Marylander between the ages of 12 and 17, all you vaccinated here at any time are also eligible for these scholarships, and you will automatically be entered to win. If you have not yet been vaccinated, the sooner that you do, the more scholarship drawings that you'll be eligible for. The Maryland Department of Health will work with the Maryland Higher Education Commission to notify all the winners. These scholarship funds are being provided through funding from the American Rescue Plan, so federal dollars. And once again, all you have to do is go out and get your shot in order to have a shot at winning a scholarship to the college of your choice. Promotions like this are just one more way that we are reinforcing the importance of getting every single Marylander. These vaccines are extremely effective, but those who are unvaccinated do remain at risk, especially with the new highly transmissible variants, including the Delta variant, which is currently circulating. According to our state health department, 95% of all new COVID cases reported last month were people who have not been vaccinated. 93% of all new COVID hospitalizations were unvaccinated Marylanders. And 100% of all the COVID deaths in the month of June were Marylanders who were unvaccinated. If you have not gotten your vaccine, the virus and its variants are a dangerous threat to you. Getting vaccinated is the only way to protect yourself and to continue on our recovery. So if any of our 12 to 17-year-olds or their parents needed another good reason, then now they can go out and get vaccinated for a chance to win a $50,000 college scholarship. At this time, I'm going to turn the podium over to the Chancellor of the University System of Maryland, Dr. Jay Perman, to talk a